Thinking of selling your place in Dubai? Don't even think about listing it until you've done this. Okay, real talk. If you're thinking of selling your home in Dubai, please don't just call an agent and throw it on the market. I've seen sellers lose thousands just because they skipped a few key steps. Here's the pre-listing checklist I use with my clients, and it works every time. Step 1. Repairs. Leaky tap, cracked tile, broken AC, we fix it. Buyers in Dubai notice the smallest things. Next, staging. I'm not saying you need to hire a designer, but clean surfaces, no clutter, and a neutral vibe go a long way. Dubai buyers want to walk in and feel like, yeah, I could live here. Documents, super important. You'll need your title deed or Okud, NOC from the developer, and recent DWA. And service fee receipts? Oh, and please don't just guess your price. Check what actually sold in your tower, not just what's listed. The Dubai Land Department has stats. Use them. And last thing, prep for viewings. AC on. Lights on. Good vibes only. This checklist isn't magic, but it does get your home sold faster and for a better price. Save this reel for later, and if you're in Dubai and want to chat more about selling your place, no strings attached. Seriously, just DM me. Let's grab that coffee and talk strategy. Share with a house hunting buddy and follow for more tips. Want my free Dubai sellers cheat sheet? Comment sold, and I'll send it right away. Catch you later.